Have you ever wondered how Instagram fill your explore page with pictures or any videos that you most probably would love to see? But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Najmi Anaki and hello everyone. Alright, moving back to the question earlier, and the answer is actually quite simple. It is because of data science. But first, we need to know about big data so that we can understand about the data science itself. And for your information, big data and data science is two different things, but they are actually related to each other. So what is data? Everything that can be stored or processed by a computer is what we call as a data, and this includes everything such as image, audio, video, text, or even yourself could be a data. There are 6 elements in total for big data, but let's focus on 3 elements, which are volume, velocity, and variety. Every day there are lots of data that we produce, and this data keep on growing at a fast rate and also came in various forms. This is why it is called as big data, since it is produced in a large volume, high velocity, and variety. But how about data science? Data science is used to analyze and process the big data to obtain information. This is because in the big data itself there are lots and lots of information, and these informations might be useful to certain organizations if they want to achieve their goals. Data science includes the knowledge of programming, statistics, and also business. So basically, big data is just a collection of data, and data science is where we process the big data and analyze them to obtain information. Alright, enough with the introduction. Let's talk about the main points.
Assalamualaikum and hello to all my fellow friends. My name is Muhammad Ali Fahmi bin Mazlam and my metric number is A170483. So, I will explain about why data is matter and its goal and deliverables. Data science is a very recent terminology. In the world today, data is probably the thing that matters most. It can tell you before the airplane's brake fail, predict the onset of a natural disaster, or forecast when you might suffer a heart attack. Right now, the government is collecting data and building machine learning algorithms that can predict braking failures due to degraded runway conditions, such as a wet or contaminated tarmac. Japan is analyzing satellite imagery data of the Earth to predict natural disasters, and doctors are turning to data mining and ML techniques to develop screening tools to identify high-risk heart attack patients. At its very core, data tells us what we need to do next. Data expose inefficiencies and disadvantage. It reveals truths about our habits and what we might do next. It opens window into opportunity. While offering a glimpse into the future, data shines light on what's possible and has the power to make it a reality. As we are living in the age of the fourth industrial revolution, there is a massive data explosion that has resulted in the culmination of new technologies and smarter products. The need for data has risen tremendously in the last decade. Many companies have centered their business on data. Data has created new sectors in the IT industry. Then, one must first understand the typical goals and deliverables associated with data science initiatives, such as classification, recommendation, pattern detection and grouping, anomaly detection, recognition, actionable insight, automated process, and decision making. Each of these is intended to address a specific goal or solve a specific problem. So that's all from me, and I will give away for my next group member to deliver their points. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Muhammad Naring Malvin Muhammad Narizal with matrix number A169061. In this project, we want to create an awareness on the importance of science data in industry. So I, as a data engineer, would like to talk about why data science matters in these days. As a data engineer, I will build pipelines for data scientists to get the data. Data science can support businesses to deliver relevant products. During this pandemic era, we saw that online businesses grow rapidly, right? So, as a data science, we must interpret demand of the customers towards the product. As a data engineer, we can forecast outcomes and build power production system to create great income in industry. This shows that the data science can make a decision with measurable and data-driven facts. Decision making by a data science will give a precise result toward the forecast of the product. As I mentioned before, as a data engineer, I must get the data to give the data scientist to interpret those data well. I can get those data through online research on what product customers most demands for now. I can extract from online businesses platforms such as Shopee, Lazada, ID Shop, and many more. To get more data thoroughly, as a data engineer, we can get a pass by get an official permission from them to analyze those data for them. So here I am, would like to justify how important it is to know how important data science for various fields, especially in industrial field. Because nowadays we place a lot of data that can only interpreted by a data science. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Haikal Mokhtar and my matric number is A169246. On my part, I'm going to explain the application of data science in industry, as data science is being applied in various sectors in order to improve the efficiency and quality of the product, especially in manufacturing, finance and gaming industry. The way data science is applied in manufacturing is unique in certain ways, considering specific requirement of the field. It is used primarily to provide valuable insight to the manufacturers, aiming at profit maximization, risk minimization, and productivity assessment. Here are some major applications of the data science in manufacturing. The first on the list is predictive analytics, or real-time data of performance and quality. It monitors machine performance and downtime, which then can be used to anticipate the nature of yield gains, the impact of external changes, scrap reduction, and quality. Secondly, price optimization. Data science use tools for aggregation and analysis data, including both pricing and cost from internal sources and competitors to extract optimized price variance. Other than that, inventory management and demand forecasting, which is crucial to maintain the efficiency of both supplier and manufacturer relationship and makes it relevant to the current situation. Data science has a great contribution in the development of finance industry, especially in fraud and risk detection, where banking companies learn to divide and conquer data via customer profiling, past expenditures, and other variables to analyze the probabilities of risk and defaults. Fast-growing gaming industry nowadays, data science is being applied in the development of artificial intelligence, predator, and a system called Overwatch that helps in detecting and punishing players who have misconduct gaming behavior and violates the policies.